So today we're going to take a look at Lofty and what it actually does for you as an agent. I'm just going to show you the main points and things you should be working and doing. There's a lot. When I do the class, live class, I train in the San Antonio area for Lofty. It's a 2-day class, and to go really in depth to everything. I'm going to show you the nitty gritty, like what it does, what it can really help, and what it can do for you as an agent. Keep it simple, keep it short, just the main things that should be turned on and ready to go. Now, if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do. Love to have you as a following us, and we're going to rock out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to automation at the top and go to smart plans. Okay. When you go to smart plans, if you haven't turned on your smart plans yet, you see at the top there's two buttons. There's plans and library, and that's the library of the different smart plans. So depending what you don't have these turned on yet, if you don't have any, you won't see all these things here. This agent that we're using their Lofty to show this has all their smart plans. You see they're ready to turn on. We have seller buyer. They have a couple extra ones they've turned on. So these are your smart plans. If you don't have any and you go to plans and there's none, and see right here are my plans. You want to make sure that you have them all. See, auto apply all. They're all ready to go. And I can also show, on, off, whatever I want to do. Now, if I go to scope my plans, make sure you're not in company plans, because that shows what your company has set up, not you. You want to be in my plans. If you don't have any here yet, you're going to go to library, and then you're going to find them. And then see here are all the different type of plans. Now, if you want to search them a little easier, right here, plan type, you're going to look right here. You want a drip campaign, lead type buyer, and then you're going to find, like, for example, this one here, buyer lead first time drip. Things like that are going to be very simple to do, very easy to kind of follow through. So you want to add a buyer, seller, renter to buyer. So again, drip campaign, lead type, buyer, seller, renter, all. I have another video that shows how to do this in depth, and it walks through the whole setup. Now, because they changed the smart plan layout, the other video shows up here instead of right here to drop the drip campaign buyer seller, but it's the same thing. They just changed the layout a little bit, but you still work it the same. So it's really important when you have your plans, you're in my plans, not company, and you want to make sure that you have the plans you need. These make a big difference. It gets you all set up, gets you ready to roll, and get your clients automated. So what that means is when you have a lead, they come in and they automatically get talked to without you having to do anything. It's very important to have it talk to it automatically. And we'll show you the other stuff that it does. So the first thing you got to do, you got to have your smart plans turned on. The next thing you want to do is you want to build your landing page. So you go to landing pages, and as you can see, we built a bunch for this agent here, and here are the landing pages here, some different ones. So I recommend going through at the top where it says add new landing page. You can go through and pick it. The great ones are multi-property with map, feature a listing, open houses, all those type of ones, one for sellers. These landing pages should be there and built. You have to build your database of landing pages to be able to use them later when I get into the next section we're going to talk about. So first, get your smart plans turned on so clients are automatically being talked to. Build out a bunch of landing pages. Watch the other video that we have in the series talking about landing pages. I walk you through landing page by landing page, each one separate of how to build each one. So you can pick the ones that work for you. I like to have a bunch of featured listings, especially if I have any listings, I'll make them my own, or any company ones I want to advertise, or any new homes that I get permission. Then I like to have open house. Price reductions are okay. I like those too. And then I go to multi-property with map, have a bunch of those different areas because I like to show the area with the map. And then I have the seller one, and then the buyer guide and seller guide. If you have those basic ones, it sets you up with a good way to start off, and you're ready to good. So again, remember, first, smart plans. Second, landing pages. Have those built, ready to go. And then if you go to marketing and go down to social studios, this is where you use the landing pages. Now you might hear, it might go to planner, it might go to post. I'm on post at the top. And then in the top right here, I'm going to click on this little calendar so I can plan my day. So the reason we build the landing pages and everything is so you can schedule out all of your stuff and be ready to go. So here, like for example, the 27th, I don't have a post yet. If I click on the 27th, and I go here to these buttons and I get the second from the last, insert landing page. So right here, I'm going to click find your home value, next. And there it is. It automatically builds me the whole landing page. Twitter likes an image instead of that. I'm going to take Twitter off. I mean, sorry, not Twitter, Instagram. And now these are automatically going to go to here and have these landing pages ready to post. 8 a.m. is great. I'm going to edit. Nope, not clear. I'm going to edit the time instead of 8. I'll do like 1 in the morning. Doesn't matter. They're all good. Oh, let me change it. So 1 in the morning, I'm going to apply it. So once you have a message, you have it ready to go. It goes automatically to these places. Of course, Social Studio, you have to connect your social media, but then you can connect all your landing pages. You can also connect your blog. You can also pull any links in from any homes and have any other custom pictures and emojis you want. This is a really good way to get everything set up for the month. See, now we set for the 27th, and then we'll do a couple more. It's that easy. You just drop in some stuff, knock it out, throw in a link, and make it happen. You just make sure you have it set to go and you're good to go. Then you can have the whole month preset. So all your social media happens automatically without you having to do anything. It's a great thing to have set up, save you a lot of headache. Like I said, it's automated. You just take an hour or two to fill them all up. The hardest part is doing the different landing pages, things like that. So again, we talked about smart plans, talked about landing pages, and now this is called Social Studios, and then Social Studios. The other thing you want to turn on is if you come here to the right and click on the settings button, and then on the left here, we're going to go down and we are going to click on, make sure I give you the right button. Okay, so I said click on settings, but I meant to go to the top and go to auto property alert. Sorry about that. So when you go to auto property alert, you're going to make sure you turn on your property alert, the market snapshot, and your market report. So now automatically we have our landing pages getting pushed out through social media. Your client comes in, they're being put on a smart plan. They're going to put on an MLS drip as long as they've looked at a property through property alerts, and you can set it up whichever way you want. They're also going to get a market snapshot once a week, and they're going to market report every month. And that's going to set your clients up for success. So again, that's another thing you want to have turned on. The next thing I want to show you is if you go up here to content and you go to website, when you have the website kind of turned on and ready to go and you have it open, this is you to set up. We're not going to go through all the setup, just to have it up. Here's your website. At the top, you're going to go to blog. Some brokers don't offer this. Most of them do. Hopefully you have a broker that lets you put blogs in. They're really good if you have them. And then you can schedule out your blogs for the month, as you can see. He has 13 already scheduled. You want once a week. He has 4 ready to go here. So then you're ready to go that way, ready to rock it out. Those are some good basic things. So again, I'm going to go back to the other Lofty, not the pop-up. I'll start with the website because you're on the website blog. You want to get your blog set up. Once a week, post a blog. Other thing you want to do here when you're in your Lofty, I'm going to go back to the main one. Your smart plans under automation, your content under landing page, and your marketing social studios. And then also under automation, auto property alert. If you have those things set up, half of your Lofty is already ready to roll. Very basic. So 10-minute video. Of course, it takes time to go through and set those up. If you need help, please reach out. We do have packages that help you set everything up, and we'll take care of you. Talk to you soon.